أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وعجل فرجهم. It's 8th of March and 2026 and it's the weekly review video. I did trade this week. As I said the previous week that I will be very careful this week. I will be trading but will trade with low risk and high probable trade. So let's get into the week. So this week on Monday there was 10 a.m. news. I did trade this week, Monday. On Monday, let's see the. I traded on only thin capital account, not on the funded lead, because that is it's the funded league account is in Jordan, very much in Jordan, and it's the start of the week and start of the month, and plus the war and all things going on. 2nd of the March, and I trade 2 trades on Monday. I took 2 trades on Monday. Let's see. Will not be that much reviewing the trade. I should have made a. I again did not make a trade review video. Although I could one day, but still, yeah, I did not. So I'll be a bit. I'll be giving a short trade review also. We'll try to a small short trade review. Okay, on Monday I took this trade. 10 a.m. news. Why did I took this trade before 9:30 opening? I don't know, man. I don't remember. Why did I do this? I think this is a 50%. Okay, I don't know. I don't remember. So after the 9:30 opening, this was the 9:30 gap. This is the weekly opening gap, old weekly opening gap plus lower quarter and lower quarter. I took on Monday I did one mistake. Took this trade again, hit the stop loss and went to the TP. What the mistake was that I placed the stop loss on 1 minute, in the view of 1 minute, but I should have placed the stop loss. I'm keeping in mind of 5 minutes, and it was expected that this week we might not see a lower resistance liquidity trend. Although this week was good for me, but still should be I already plan to be careful this week, risking low. And but on Monday I did this mistake, which was it was Monday, and this long 9:30 opening pattern. This is the 5-minute proportional block. I should have placed the stop loss at the low of it. I know the position was here. Should have been placed the trade on 5 minute, like kind of this, and the 2 RR followers. But yeah, I don't know why they took the trade here. Break in market sector, took the recent low, went above, portion block, took this, placed the stop loss here, took me and went lower, went higher. Okay, so on Monday I took 2 losses. You can see on Tuesday, it's Tuesday, no, okay, on Tuesday I took 1 loss, and then one, I think they both are break-even trades, and they are on gold. Let's see the Tuesday. So what are they? Again, like took this short, took me here. Stop loss was on this high. Yeah, it just took me and then went lower. There was any news on Tuesday. 7:30 news it was. I went to the TP. Wow. And then I took trade on gold on Tuesday. Let's see that too. It's Tuesday now. We'll talk about that too. Tuesday, yes, it's Tuesday. Took this trade. This I risked a bit more here. entered again because I was confident, and then when it took this low, I placed a stop loss to this high, and yeah, this is the day. And okay, Tuesday done. It's now it's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Nasdaq. Okay, Wednesday. So, took the short first. Right now I don't know the very detail of this trade. Because I didn't remember, and these PDRAs are not exactly for this day because I changed. I like the PDRAs right now are on according to the Friday. Okay, so this is, let's see the Wednesday. But some PDRAs can or price action can give an idea of why did I take this trade or where the price action was more likely to go. 9:30 opening. Was presented fair value gap. Took for short. On I think here, and I why did I closed before the SL? Because in the trade I knew that we are going to go higher, and the way it respected C and then went higher, and this weekly opening gap was then hold this 50-minute first presented fair value gap and all, and I took long, and I took long two position by risking 0.5 and 0. I don't know 0.5. Yeah, you can see two trades and hit the TP, close the first on the high. This is the high of, I don't know, daily heights, or it's any higher high on lower time frame, and this is the TP. Okay, and then this trade is on 5th, which would be Thursday, and it's on gold, both two position, and this is the trade. This was the trade. The PDRs are according to this day, because I didn't even, I think, look at the charts on Friday. And yeah, let's see. Let's review this trade a bit. Let's in a detail. This is a Wednesday. This is a Thursday. Let's highlight this too. Highlighted this low week plus this, and this is a weekly week. Yeah, as you can see, and this is a monthly week. I added some more gradients. Want to study these areas too, because I saw this on one of the lecture of ICT Michael talk about these gradients level, and yeah, that's why I highlighted this, but it's kind of confusing me right now. Yeah, it's obviously it's new to me, so it would be a bit overwhelming to see this in a start. Oh, I would change this like this too. Wednesday is the test. So this was a logical trade. Let's start from the daily. I wish I could do the replay button, but I don't have the premium version of the trading view, so unfortunately I cannot do that. So on Tuesday there was a long down close candle breaking the structure, also breakaway gap Wednesday, and so Thursday I was more bearish than bullish. Okay, and then we respected this lower quarter, and you can see on these two breaking market structure, and yeah, we were here. I took the short here, and highlighted this low, smooth lows. No, the okay, smooth low recent was this on lower time frame, and this was the first presented old gap. Let's start the. So I took this trade on the behalf of on Thursday. The news was that this was NFP week, so day before the NFP main NFP on Friday. 8:30 news unemployment claims. 5-minute first presented fair value gap, and plus weekly low quarter plus the daily. So yeah, the way we to the downside, I was very confident we are going to hit that TP and may go lower here. But yeah, the price action was not good. The trade was good, no doubt, and we can't expect much from the market these days. So this was the 1-minute first presented fair value gap, went higher, did enter here with a bit more confirmation. Let's see, where did I enter? Okay, I entered at the entered here. Wow, nice. So at this time the 5-minute first presented fair value gap was not formed here, so we went higher, took these high, then took this. I would consider it as respecting the gap. Okay, so went higher, break the market structure, and I enter here on this low quarter. As you can see, the logic behind the position here. Okay, here I took two positions. I think, yes, I took two positions. So oh no, what happened? I took low. ये क्या? I have to close one. So the rule was two losses a day, and this was the one trade I was going to take. So I took risk more, like all I could do in one day, and because I was very confident, and yeah, it's not a breaking of the rule. So as you can see, the logic behind that trade: weekly opening, weekly wick plus the daily wick, and breaker plus respecting this. So entered, went lower, crashing all, crashing to the downside, and then the shitty price action started. Went higher, made the first presented fair value gap, didn't touch the this breakaway gap, respected the upper quarter of the weekly opening gap, which was a bearish sign, especially when we break the market structure plus the low quarter. So we went lower, took the recent low, and then started. And at this time, I placed the stop loss to break even, I think. Okay, 9:30, and yeah, I placed the stop loss to break even because it was time to place the stop loss to break even. And as you can see, after that, it respected the low quarter, went lower again, took the recent one again, and then it reversed. So this was the week. I resulted, I think, a bit positive. The honestly, the price action is okay. It's way better than I thought, and I'll be trading, inshallah, so on. So this was the trading week for me, and right now I am almost at break even. Almost. We did like what? Let me calculate. Did we 0.8? Let's go. This is the result. So we are up $85 this week. Let's go. It takes more time than it should have. So yeah, this is the trading week. Let's get into the weekly goal result, and beside the trading. Let's go. So let's this is the previous week month result. No, did not work out, not even a day, because I'm not recovered yet, and I'm still I'm fasting too. So yeah. And backtest check, 5 days. Backtest review check, I made a video on it too. Uploaded 3 videos. First was the backtest, then the backtest review, and third would be this video. Japanese check, Arabic check, meditation check. Yes sir, meditation I did 5 days this week. Journal did completed 4 days. I think I did 5 days. These check, 10 pages. Power of your subconscious mind, I think I'm on 142. And 48 laws of power is also check. One thing, things I did not complete. One was not in my hand, but one thing was this, and I'm very disappointed for myself, which this is very important to me spiritually and faith wise. And I did listen to majlis only one majlis this week. So yeah, and I will inshallah ta'ala will listen to a majlis today. That would be two, but still I can do way better than this, and I'm very disappointed for myself. uh, yeah, I won't consider this a week a very good week, and yeah, because of this. So yeah, this was the result of the this week, previous week. This is the next week goals. Backtest. One thing which I'm adding, uh, which is from now on, is backtest review 20 minutes a day. First I'm setting a 4 days. I'm starting this, so I'll be not that hard on myself. I'll be setting a goal which I can do consistently. So 20 minutes, which is not much time, I will review the all trades or uh, all backtest data from now on, because I think I uh, should be doing more work on trading. I should be more should give more time on trading, which is like one of the most important thing in my life right now. One of the most important thing right now, and career wise. So yeah, upload 3 videos as usual, and all the goals are 4 days journal, 5 days meditation, Japanese Arabic, 5 hadith, 10 pages on power of your subconscious. So I'll be reading 17 pages this weekend. 17 pages, I thought. So from 10 to 17, so I'm adding 7 more pages. Inshallah I will do it. So 143, I read 3 more pages uh, from more pages than the previous week goal, and I will read 10 pages of 48 laws, 3 majlis. Inshallah I will complete this. For the most important things in my list is this week is majlis and this backtesting, and this is the most important thing, and then meditation, journal, reading, and then this Japanese Arabic and hadith also important. So yeah, inshallah, this was the weekly review video. Inshallah I'll be the result will be shown next week. Allah Hafiz.